What is up, YouTube? Finally, I'm making a video. Been a long time. I was actually pretty busy lately, but I won't be as busy anymore since I got fired. Fucking California. Thank you for being an at-will fucking state. But that's for a whole different video. I'll talk about that soon. And today, I'm a little upset about earlier this week I received the car part just to fix the car, but I did an unboxing for it. It sucks because it didn't record. My dumbass forgot to click the record button, so make sure I clicked it today. So I was unboxing this video, or unboxing this part, which is from the name of the title, you probably know exactly what it is. That a wheel bearing and a hub. And it was awesome because my son wanted to be in the video. And I normally don't put my son in it because I don't want to be a little private. I don't like my stuff being out there. My son is 3 years old. He is the most beautiful freaking child that you will see in real life, because all these babies that are super pretty, it's all done up. My son is fucking handsome. Nothing done to him aesthetically, nothing. He is amazing, perfect, and very fucking cute. And yes, I curse around him a lot, so if you guys in the comment section are like, oh my god, language, you guys thumbs down. Please go away. Don't watch this video if you're afraid of cursing, because I curse, and sometimes I don't even notice that I'm doing it. It just happens. I try to do it as less as I can, but it just happens. Sorry, I'm not as educated as you guys over here, okay? So, that video never was recorded, and he's over here talking about the stuff as if he was, like, he can't really talk. It's just rambling, blah, blah, blah. I don't know what he was saying, but it was amazing. I am upset I never clicked record. He was grabbing the seals. He was like, yes, both of them. He grabbed the hub, and he's like, he grabbed the wheel bearing and was the dipper. I don't know what he was saying. That's how I interpreted it. And it never got recorded. God damn it. Let me add some light. It never got recorded. I am upset about that because it was freaking cute. But today we're going to install the wheel bearing and the hub. This is why I'm getting tired of renting tools out. I really needed this tool. I'm probably going to end up buying it because it costs more to rent it than buying it. Look at this shit. This shit is, I don't even think I'm going to be able to use it. I can't even take the nut off. Look at this. I'm going to try to see if I can use it. If I can't, well, then we're fucked. Then I'll probably end up doing it another day. But I think I'm going to return this because look at, I'm not going to, it's stripped. Stripped to shit. This part I need it though. This is the upsetting part. I think on Amazon or whatever store, I think they're only like $15. I don't know why I rent. This shit was like $33 to rent. And I think I'm gonna return it right now because I can't use it. I can't fucking use it. Look at this. It's supposed to screw in. It doesn't. I can't even screw the nut off. Bullshit. And for you guys that have sensitive ears, my bad, but suck it up, all right? I'm pissed off about this because I really need to install this. But god damn it, I'm pretty mad about that. So I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I know I'm gonna go return it, and I'm gonna try to see what the reaction is. I'm like, I can't use this tool. This sucks. All right. Sorry, the video isn't an install. But the video was just me ranting about what's going on right now. But I mean, I'll show you guys how this. I bought it from Rock Auto. Love Rock Auto. So it came with pretty much everything. A new retaining clip, which probably don't need, but I would love to have an extra. A new damn it, what's the word? the nut that goes on the drive shaft, or not the drive shaft, the man, you know what I'm talking about, the nut that's inside where the cover for the wheel, damn, I can't talk right now, the axle nut, Jesus Christ, and the wheel bearing is really nice. And I got in here are the seals, the inner and the outer one. I gotta figure out which one's which. And then the hub, which is brand new. I like how it's black, because these normally they're like well, this one's normally this color, but this one's like a yellow color, like a shiny yellow. And then the bolts on this too are also black, so I feel like that's gonna be a little less corrosive. And then that's where I put the tone ring on there, I think. Yeah, that's where I put the tone ring, so that's gonna be fun. So we're gonna get this installed probably tomorrow. This is just me ranting. I'm upset that I really didn't get to record my the video when I was unboxing it, because it was cute. Love it when my son wants to actually, like, I didn't force him to do it. He just came up, because I was unboxing it, and he just came up next to me and he was like, "Dad," and threw his arms up at me to carry him. And I'm like, you wanna be in the video? He's like, "Sí," because he can speak Spanish too. But yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna get this installed. Actually, probably tomorrow. Today I might work on trying to get the slop out. I got a tool for it maybe, but we'll see. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this rant. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out, and try to stay happy, because I know these times are tough. Like me especially, I got let go yesterday. Thank you fucking company. I got let go, and it wasn't even my fault. Apparently it was because the big company, forget about it. I'll talk about this in a whole nother video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.